Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out full body dumbbell session, light dumbbells, 3 kg each. Try to create some content more useful for most of you. So I hope this video will be useful for you, this workout will be useful for you. So take your dumbbells, let's work out. First, as always, let's inhale. Exhale. I will do 5 or 6 exercises. Each exercise will be 12 reps. We're gonna do 3 rounds. Let's see, maybe 6, maybe 7, but around this. Okay, let's warm up our shoulders. We'll start from upper body. So nice and easy down facing dog, lengthening through the spine, straight legs, breathe, hold, push your shoulders. 10, 9, 8, hold, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Then rotate your pelvis, push from your shoulder blades up. Then relax your upper body and then push up, warming up our scapula. 10 times up and relax. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, release. Nice one. So first move, you grab your dumbbells in front of you. We're gonna push from here. We're gonna push 12 times up, straight up. Inhale first. Get ready. Dumbbells together and push up. 12, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. If you want to do, like, let's say with 5 kg each, up to you. Grab 5 kg each dumbbell and then let's work. It doesn't matter for me. Like, I try to create some workouts suitable for different age, because some of you are stronger, some of you are weaker, so lifting too heavy, people sometimes cannot. Okay, the second exercise, we're gonna do squats with biceps curls. So from here, we're gonna squat all over down, up and curl our biceps. Down, up and curl our biceps. Here we go, 12. Inhale. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. The next one, arms on the ground, so you need to hold your dumbbells, palms on the ground. From here, rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, and then from here, we're gonna raise one double, kick front, down on the ground. Raise, kick front, down on the ground. 20 times, 10, 10. Inhale. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, and let's work. Hit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one. This is the fourth. Core with arms and chest. So arms in front of you, legs straight. From here, we're gonna bend our arms, push our dumbbells, open your legs straight forward, and bring them back. 12 times. Nice and easy. Inhale. Keep your lower back flat. Let's work. 12. and down. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. Next one, we're gonna raise our lower back. Dumbbells drives up, and from here, we're gonna drive shoulders back, lowering our hips, and then we push up, bringing your arms back to the middle and pushing the lower back up. Here we go. Inhale. 12. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Squeeze your butt. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. And the last one will be just hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay. This was 1 round. 2 more to go. I think it's not difficult for you. If you think this is light, you can take something heavier and just work on. Here we go. First inhale. Exhale. Grab your dumbbells. Let's start. Shoulders up and push. 12. Inhale. Let's work. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. Okay, slowly stand up. Next one, we're gonna do squat with dumbbell curls. Stay consistent. Aging, so we need to build muscle mass. Step by step, how you can. Lifting heavier weights, so be just consistent with something more light, but at the same time, keep working out. Okay, here we go. Grab. Let's work. 12. Inhale. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. Breath. We're gonna do a third. Plank position, holding our dumbbells and then kicking in front of us. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay, get ready. Arms square. Rotate your pelvis, knees off the ground, and let's start kicking forward. Up 20 times. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, push. 3, push. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay. Abs. Pushing our dumbbells up and working with our legs straight forward. Bend your legs first. Arms up. Bend them in front. Elbows closer to your body. Don't drive them too back and too close. A little bit in. Okay, we're gonna push up our dumbbells and legs go straight forward. Inhale. Here we go. 12. And back. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Release. Okay, inhale first. Exhale. Arms up. We drive our arms back from here. We're pushing our hips up, bridge, and then arms go straight up. Inhale. And push. Let's work. 12. And back. 2. 3. Push. Squeeze your butt up. 4. 5. 6. 7. Push. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 1. 2. And then after that, hold here 10 seconds. 10. 9. 8. Hold 7. Hold 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. And release. Okay, up. Not bad. Second set, well done. 1 more to go. You can do it evening, morning, afternoon, anytime. I do believe that if you want to stay healthy, you can find 20 minutes a day to work on yourself. I can understand many people are busy, really busy. They cannot find 1 hour or even more, like driving to the gym, coming back, family, kids, you know, like work, busy life. But I do believe you can find 20 minutes a day just playing a video or taking your dumbbells and just working out everywhere, at home, in your garage, in your office, like everywhere. Just don't complain that you don't have time. 20 minutes I think you can find. Wake up early, just work. Okay, let's do third set. Inhale. Exhale, get ready. Let's push, shoulders, 12. Up. 2. 3, push. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1. 2. Okay, up. Many people are complaining about their life, but then when they have 20 minutes a day to work out, they don't do this right decision. But when they get injured or when they have pain in their body, they are ready to pay any amount of money just to come back to the normal. Why happens like this? Come on, just understand that this every day, 20 minutes a day, this is a big investment in your health. Okay, inhale. Get ready, grab, work, squat with bicep curls. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Especially right now, people can live really longer. So many studies about like longevity. So take care what you eat, how you sleep, and work out. And trust me, you can live much longer, see your family more, being able to see how your whole generations are growing. So appreciate this moment. Don't complain. Okay, here we go. Rotate, grab your dumbbells, rotate your core lower back, pelvis, fix your core lower back, engage it, raise your knees. Let's work 20 times. Kick, up, 1, 2, push, 3, 4, push, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 2, push. 3, push. 4, push. 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay. Core with arms. So lie down, Dumbbells in front of you, bend your elbows slightly in front. Okay, push, inhale. 12, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. Okay, inhale first. Exhale, arms up. Bridge with arms driving up. Okay, inhale. 12, get ready, push. And back. 2, 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, push. 9, 10, 2 more. 1, 2, and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, up. Let's do some quick stretch. After that, I'll turn back to you. You can see, just grab your left arm, bend it behind your head, grab your elbow with your right arm and stretch it over to the side. Feel that stretch in the shoulder and scapula. Hold it. 3, 2, 1, and gently switch with your left arm, grab your right elbow and push. Feel the stretch. Hold 3, 2, 1, and back. Same with your legs. Grab your toe with both arms if you can and just flex. Stretch it a little bit more. For those who can, just can even push yourself more with straight arms back and push from the left side of your leg. And switch, right one, grab, stretch, hold 3, 2, 1, and gentle push, hold more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Let's do just nice and easy upper facing dog. Just to lengthening a little bit our core, a little bit of release for lower back, and that's it. Nice one. Simple and useful workout for your daily life. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Stay strong. Don't live with pain. Peace.